Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen mode to turn on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold power button and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and you will see click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system update and click on backup and reset phone reset and click on reset network and Bluetooth setting. Enter your phone pin and you will see click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen on to turn on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.